ako nakatakbo. My God.
The yellow one? Ano ba naman nun?
Yung patega na binigay mo, yung silver. For tonight.
Sakay na ako na yung tao mo. Parang wala pa bang kami sinasabi. Birthday girl! Halika na, birthday girl. Masyado ka na mag-close cousin.
Ay, sorry.
Cousin! So,
The birthday girl!
oh guys, this is part of my kit.
Uy, may ambag ako dito.
Wala ka
Kung bibigyan mo talaga siya.
Hindi sister, di ba sabi mo gusto mo na egg pie?
Yeah.
Hello mga guys! So papunta na kami sa Taiwan. Ayan si Kaz. Close talaga kami ngayon. Dapat you love your cousins.
We love our cousin.
Ayun na yung kinukwento ko sa kanya. Yung what the hell are you thinking? What the hell are you thinking? Alam mo yun? Sabi talaga niya, alam mo ba?
Grabe yung saltik. Medyo lang.
Hindi ako marunong lumangon. Okay, we're here na sa Naiya with
Ayan natin daw.
Local. So finally we found the exit. First time in Taiwan. It's not hot. It's not cold.
Yeah, yun yung importante. It's not hot.
Yeah, sakto lang. Medyo hot actually. Okay. Ito kami sa ano, Smile N. Mukha naman siyang okay. Hindi siya, I expected worse. Ganda niya. Hindi ko expect na ganito siya. Smile ka nga. Okay. Okay, so punta na kami ni cousin. Parang pa-close tayo ng pa-close cousin. Punta kami sa Din Tai Fung. I'm so excited. The first ever Din Tai Fung in the Philippines. First ever Din Tai Fung in the world. And actually, yung first ever Din Tai Fung pala, pang take-out. So ito yung first Din Tai Fung na restaurant. And then after that, siguro, punta kami Taipei Zoo on the ahead. Okay guys, napakadaming tao.
Around the 80 to 100 minutes to wait.
Okay.
How many minutes?
Can we come back? Okay guys, so 80 to 100 minutes yung waiting time sa Din Tai Fung. So maghanap muna kami ng, actually cafe muna or ano na. Ayan na guys, ang Taipei 101. Okay guys, gagawin namin yung trend. Okay, so dito muna kami magmumukbang ni Cuz. At least press ko. Tikman natin to premium milk tea from Family Mart. Okay, hindi masarap. First meal in Taiwan actually. Okay. Hindi kita nabihisan today. Ang landi!
31 Hill.
Dito kami sa 4 floors yata to guys, yung alam ko. Okay, first din tayo pa. Exciting.
Aida Zoo.
Taipei Zoo. Hey guys. So, they use... Feeling ko same naman yung lasa niya sa Philippines. Pero iba pa rin since dito yung original. Parang. You have chili powder. Chili
sauce.
Yes. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm gonna see pandas for the first time in my life. We're gonna see some pandas. Hey guys, ayun ang flamingos. Oh! Ano kaya lasa ng mga flamingos, no? Tingnan mo fried chicken. Go. Oh! Oh!
Don't look.
Nandiyan na ba sila? Game na ba? Oh, cute nila! Funny, para siya si Snorlax. I finally saw pandas. Ayun guys, punta tayo sa Panda Cafe. Ang tulog na... Ayun kasi! Oh,
May kamot lang siya, guys.
ang cute!
Para siyang mascot. Totoong tao ba siya or something? Tignan niyo, parang problemado si ate.
Speaking of guys, taga Dubai yung jowa ko. Wala siya dito, si cousin to, pero yung jowa ko taga Dubai. Okay guys, so haba na nalalakbay namin ni Cuz for to see Red Panda. Okay, we came here for the Red Panda. Nasaan na siya? Aww, come here, come here.
Dad, drop me right here.
Oh! Ang baho na matakbo. My God. Hey mga cuz! Mi-meet namin yung friend ko, si Carter. Kain lang kami, night market, sa Ximending. Okay. Let's go! Miss na kita, baby, hindi na kaya. Hey guys, remember Carter? He's back. I mean, I'm back. I'm back in Taiwan. It's my first time in Taiwan.
You're back in Taiwan?
No, it's my first time in Taiwan.
Back in my country.
Yeah, back in this country. So let's try this. Because I see this on TikTok everywhere.
Actually, I like it a lot.
Am I supposed to mix it?
Yeah. You had boba yet?
I haven't. It's good, it's good. I'm making a lot of... Wait, didn't I tell you I'm making a pickleball court?
Yeah.
So pickleball court, and then I have my restaurant, and it's almost finished.
Like, did you get money from investors or what?
My money from content creating.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I see original.
Share daw tayo. I'm just gonna try all the things I saw on TikTok. Wait, are you fluent in Taiwanese now?
No.
Wait, really? Wait, so how do you get by? They probably miss you. Do you know they probably know you as the guy who almost died?
I'm alive!
Smashed his head.
Where's the number?
Where's up?
You're gonna start posting again?
Huh?
You're gonna start posting again?
Yeah. Pretty soon.
How do you guys know each other?
He's my boyfriend.
Dude, that's not the answer. I said, how do you know each other?
Gym. Met at the gym.
Really?
Met at the gym, but he's friends with my childhood friend.
Oh. Wait, you go first. No, it's fine. No, you try first. I have it all the time.
Oh really?
I mean, no, but I have it more than you guys. I know it's good. It's hot, right?
Bro, Taiwanese food is so good.
Dude, you gotta come back. You gotta stay longer. 2 days is you can't see anything. And you went to the zoo. That's what you did with your hair.
Bro, I want to see pandas. I've never seen pandas in my whole life.
How was the zoo? Is it good?
Let's go.
Right now, she's working for the atrium, like the hotel. Have you been there before?
As what?
In like marketing and sales. Do you like it? If we get invaded and taken over, they're gonna call you guys. I've been there for 2 years. So you're not Filipino?
But he lived there for a while.
Wait, ethnically.
Filipino.
Okay. I just
We'll
went
come
there.
back before you leave.
Come back.
Okay, so Car's buying us sausages. Okay guys, last meal namin for tonight is yung crispy donut, of course. You accept card? Card payment? Cash only? Or you have cash?
Yeah.
Can you buy me one?
Go Sal.
This one. Okay guys, we're in the bar. And nag-meet na yung jowa ko tsaka best friend ko.
I'm in the inner cellar. I don't even like what's in here, but I like the astronaut. But they better give me a
They probably will. I don't think they'll put it.
Sure.
What's this place called?
Hanko 60.
Okay, we're at Hanko 60. It's a pretty good place in Taiwan. Try mine. Mine's strong. It's sweet though. Okay, hello mga cuz. So pupunta kami ngayon sa breakfast. Futang soy milk yata. Fuhang soy milk. Ayan. So yan yung Taipei main station. Lapit lang ng stay namin. Baka nagtataka kayo, sino ba tong bagong character? Cousin nga. Close cousins. So ipakaalat niya. Guys, hindi ko kaya yung Xing Futang. Sobrang sarap ba dyan? Baka crazy. Ano, iba na lang? So guys, Michelin. Hey!
Hey, Dad, oh. Stop that one. I have to tell me that.
Ito sa mura. Yun naman yung ano. Saka yung kwan.
Let's jump in.
Ipapaas mo na ulit. Dami! Our first milk tea guys. Sana ma-satisfy niya ang craving. So, yes. Ito na ganun. Soft lang. May jowa ka? May jowa na si cousin guys. Ikaw may jowa. Ano nga siya? Wala pa siya. Sobrang daming. Doon na nakawan ni ate ko na cellphone. Ninakawan cellphone niya. Saan tapang pa niya? Ang liit-liit niya babae. Sabi niya,
You got my phone.
kasi nahuhulog yung cellphone din sa phone niya. Pero kinuha ni Kuya Pao.
Tumalon si Pao.
Tumalon si Kuya Pao. Sa napakaduming Paris Canal. Tumalon din si Kuya Gab. Pero si Kuya Gab hindi siya bumaba sa ilalim. Eh, si Kuya Pao nagsisid talaga siya. Sinisid niya. Siraulo siya. Eh, nakakamatay yun. Sobrang dirty noon.
Wow.
Umiiyak ako doon kasi umiiyak si Ate Nix. Ang bata ko doon eh. Empath ako, empath. Si Ate Nix na. So ako, kawawa naman siya. Eh kasi ano ako noon eh, 7 years old. Really good. Huh? Tapos, tatalon din ako noon, dapat. 7 years old ah. Promise, naghubad na ako. Tatalon ako. Kasi very ano ako, love ko si Ate Nix ng bata ako. Kaya hindi na. Mag-aaway na kami, murahan na kami yun. Sorry.
May auto ka na.
Masyado masarap si Xing Futang actually. Yeah, hindi siya milk tea. Hindi siya milk tea guys. Kung gusto niyo milk tea, hindi siya. Wow, grabe naman to. Totoo kaya sila? Ayan sila oh. Okay guys, so nandito kami sa... Ito yung sikat na popcorn chicken, yung turo-turo. So withdraw lang kami ni Cod ng cash. Kailangan namin ng cash.
Anong name mo?
Ay, gusto ko try yung nakita natin kahapon, yung grandma. Yung chicken na malaki. Sarap, right? Masarap.
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 Hi, Pogi.
This is Sister Ju. Need to find the chicken.
So, uwi muna kami kasi tatay ako.
Sarap yung today.
Yung today?
Okay, uwi na kami. Okay guys, final bago kami umuwi, Taipei 101. So ang saya, nagawa natin lahat na except si Lantern.
Bago na akong shave, cousins.
怕我自己会爱上你，也许有天会情不自禁。想念着
Nilipat mo!
Hindi!
Wala. Nilipat mo yun. Isa pa. Ay, di ba? Mahirap talaga.
Ano? Gawin natin to. Sige.
Ang cute niya kamukha mo.
Sige. Okay, we have 2 minutes to eat.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
Why? Oh! Okay guys, try na natin yung bago. Okay guys, pauwi na kami. So, ito na kami hotel, pack kami din. Gora bells na. Ito na, uwi na kami. Ang bilis lang naman dito. Okay. Change outfit na ako guys. Punta na kami sa airport. Kami, nasa airport na kami, so hindi na kami naligagan. Weird first days, pero it's good. Oh, I like it. Medyo weird lang sa first days, pero masarap siya. Weird. Okay, we're practically kissing. Mom, Dad. Tuloy pala ito eh. Oh, imagine. Gusto ko yung airport nitong si Taiwan kasi para siyang mall. So ang ganda ng vibe, para pwede ka mag-shop. Chill lang. Okay, this is our last meal guys. Sa airport na kami. Toast.
Very light lang.
Alam niya ako ng Gengar. Binili ako ni cousin ng Gengar. Kasi hindi ko, kanina sabi ko, hindi, wag na sige. Tapos iniisip ko siyang balikan, kaso parang sabi ko, wag na. Tapos nakita ko siya ulit, parang sabi ko, it's a sign. Guys, nandito na kami sa Naiya. In fairness, ang ganda na niya. Ang dami ng kainan. Ano si Kaz? Okay, tulog na kami. Good night. Thank you for watching.
你的天真，我想珍惜。看到你受委屈，我会伤心。